Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing good. So today's practice is majorly for them who all are into sports or their profession is such that they have to be active throughout the day. And after practicing this, it will be very simple practice for 10 to 15 minutes max for a day. So if you practice this thoroughly, then you will see there is massive changes in your day-to-day activity. You feel more energetic and all your joints. We are not doing anything special. Just we'll be handling 6 joints of our hands. 6 joints of our hands and legs. Those are shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip joints, knee, ankle. So if you see, majorly our knees and elbows are little bit innocent. They don't have any direct involvement for, like, we majorly complain pain in our knee and elbows, but if you see very specifically, we can take care of knee and elbows. They are not directly involved. If we can take care of our ankle, wrist, shoulder, hip joints, if these 4 are okay, then our knee also will be fine, elbow also will be fine. So we'll be focusing only with these 6 joints. Do for 10 to 15 minutes maximum and do it religiously every day. At least if you are into sports, do this before your practice begins. And if you are into daily activity, try to include throughout the day anytime possible. Just make sure that your brain knows this kind of joint rotations or this kind of simple exercise is there available, and you'll be happy and pain-free forever. Let's start without further delay. I'll be telling you the benefits in between. So start with interlock your fingers, stretch, and as much feel like you are pushing out and pulling in. Hold. Again, inhale, look up. Keep pressing yourself up. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Take both the hands behind, interlock your fingers, elbows stretched, bend forward. Hold. Take your hands as much possible up. Relax, come back. Now, what we'll do, we'll focus only on our wrist. So, come to table position, elbows fully stretched. Only 3 things we'll do. Take your shoulders ahead of your wrist. Hold. Just for 5 to 10 seconds, it will be more than enough. And fingers towards you, stretch it back. You have to do it at least 2 to 3 sets. Feel the stretch at your wrist without your consciousness, your connection, involvement. These stretches are of no meaning. So be very focused while doing. And now rotate clockwise, elbows fully stretched. Just 3 clock, 3 anti-clock. Once more and change. Left to right. 1, 2, 3. Even if you are into desk job and you are using laptop or mouse, then also you may feel little bit pain on your wrist. So take care of that. This will be very helpful. One more last. So turn, take with left hand support. Watch this properly. I am giving force to my left hand, just bending it down and elbow stretched. Make a fist and relax. If you feel you have enough strength, take your knee 1 step forward. Do both and do it. I know all of us are little bit busy and it is kind of boring for doing all this joint rotation. We need always fully active, which is not necessarily good always. So go slow, take care of your joints. This will protect complete body. Now once wrist is over, we will be going for our shoulder. So take your elbows forward and press your complete chest down. Relax. You can hold this for at least 10 seconds or more as per your convenient. Now look at this. Wrist done and our shoulder joint. Now we do for our elbows. So what we'll do, keep it here. Majorly what is the issue, straight hand or straight hand strength will act majorly. You can see if you keep it here, automatic you will be bending your elbows, which is not good, and majorly this cause our extra energy spent. Like if we do here, we are spending extra energy, rather if we can keep it completely straight. Just for a test, observe, if you keep it like this, it is not 100% straight. So just for our practice, for few moments we'll do this here. Complete body weight on my elbows. What we'll do, I'll take my knees one step forward, tuck your toes, knees up, so that maximum force on my elbows. Slightly you can take it forward, hold 10 seconds maximum, relax. For some people it is very difficult, automatically it will be bent, so take care as much as possible. So we have covered wrist, elbow, shoulder. Now for our ankle, knee and hip joints. So take your feet one step forward, back little bit angle, so that you can balance yourself. Press your hips down, maximum, hold. Take your torso back, don't bend forward. Take your torso back, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and back. Look at my ankle and knee in one line. So initially you have to take your feet little forward to your knee, so that when you are going down it will be in one line, torso back. After this, wherever your heel is there, just keep your toe there and press it down. This is for my ankle, and it will also work in my tibia muscles, which protects when I am stepping down somewhere or jumping or those kind of activity. So usually we are used to train our calf taken care, but not tibia muscles. This will help. Other than that, this portion, the connecting tissues, ligaments, this also is getting trained here. So this is very important for your knee joints. So two things, again I am repeating, bend it down, back, one step back, go down. Hold for 10 seconds. Two types of you can do it. Before your sports or any exercise, you can do it dynamically like this. One step back, 5, 5. After you can hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Repeat this both the leg always. Like this you can do dynamic, or you can do static. Hold. Once you do, hold. Okay, try now to raise your heels up, heels on the floor. This is gone for wrist and hip joints. Now we'll do for our knee. So knee is very simple. Stretch your leg, pull your kneecaps up completely, tighten your thighs and calves. Heels should be little bit up, that much tight. Again, toes pointing. Focus with your knee joints. Back, maximum, forward. Back, maximum, forward. Last one, back, maximum, forward. Once this is done, another simplest one. Feet on your thighs, press your knee down, bring it close to chest. Press your knee down, bring it close to chest. Again, back. Once more, back. Change of the leg. It looks very simple, but it will help to avoid injury. So while we are playing or we are absent-minded and walking or running, we tend to slip anywhere, either ankle joints, knee or your hip joint. So usually if it is strong or it is well mobile, then you will be protected. You don't get broke, because brain is already ready for this kind of little bit here and there activities. We are already training for this mobility. Okay, from here if it goes up to this also, brain thinks it can be manageable. But suddenly if I am not doing, something happens, brain thinks, let's protect my body first. I can sacrifice this joint only in comparison with complete body. So it allow the break or the out of mobility joints. Last one, just join these 2 feet. If your hip joints is tight, it will stuck here. So in that case, just press, that is fine. If it is going down, you are already little bit flexible, then keep pressing it down, bend forward, look forward. That's enough. Keep up and down. First 2 to 3 times, and then last, bend forward, look forward. Do it 2 to 3 times, that's enough. So again, I am revising what all things we have done for wrist, for knee joint, for hip joint. Similarly for wrist, for elbows and shoulder. So these 6 joints, please take care. Before you can do it, if you are thinking like you are not that much into sports or activity, then you can do any time of the day, at least 2 to 3 times or so. It's not very difficult. Try to incorporate this kind of joint mobility and in your daily lifestyle. So we'll meet soon in some other videos. There will be so many mobility and you can say sequences with different asanas, maybe simple or sometimes intermediate or advanced asanas. So I was a little bit busy last few days, so I couldn't able to continue the video what I had done last 3 months continuously. So I became a little bit occupied with some other work. So stay tuned for such videos. I'll be putting lot of hourly long guided and follow along videos so that you can just play and practice with me. Thank you for watching to the end, and we'll meet you soon.